Have you ever noticed that mosquitoes seem obsessed with one person in a group, while everyone else walks away without a single bite? Maybe you're the one constantly scratching your arms while your friends don't even notice a mosquito. Or maybe you're the lucky person who never seems to get bitten at all. Welcome to Think Frontier, the everyday questions you've always wondered about. Finally explained. So, what's really going on? Do mosquitoes actually have favorites? Is it because of your blood type? Or is the old myth about having sweet blood actually true? The answer is much more fascinating than most people realize. Mosquitoes don't randomly choose their targets. They're guided by a combination of body chemistry, heat, smell, and even microscopic organisms living on your skin. And once you understand how they find you, those annoying bites suddenly make a lot more sense. Let's start with something surprising. Not every mosquito bites people. In fact, only female mosquitoes do. Male mosquitoes spend their entire lives feeding on flower nectar. Female mosquitoes enjoy nectar too, but when it's time to produce eggs, they need the extra protein found in blood. So when one lands on your arm, it isn't attacking you out of spite. It's simply collecting nutrients to help create the next generation. But how do mosquitoes find you in the first place? Most people think they rely on eyesight, but their real superpower is smell. Every time you breathe, you release carbon dioxide into the air. Female mosquitoes can detect this gas from surprisingly long distances. It's one of the first signals that tells them a potential meal is nearby. As they get closer, they begin tracking something even more specific: your body heat, the moisture on your skin, and the natural chemicals your body constantly releases. Here's where things get interesting. Every person has a unique body odor, not because of perfume or soap, but because billions of harmless bacteria live on our skin. These bacteria interact with sweat and produce tiny chemical compounds. To us, they're almost impossible to notice, but to a mosquito, they're like a personalized scent trail. Some people's natural scent is simply much more attractive than others. Your size also plays a role. Larger people usually breathe out more carbon dioxide, creating a stronger signal for mosquitoes to follow. Pregnant women are often bitten more frequently as well, because they typically produce more carbon dioxide and have slightly higher body temperatures. Many people also wonder whether blood type matters. Interestingly, some studies suggest mosquitoes may prefer people with type O blood more often than those with type A, while type B falls somewhere in the middle. But blood type is only one factor. Your natural body scent, skin chemistry, and the amount of carbon dioxide you produce usually have a much bigger influence. Have you ever noticed mosquitoes become even more annoying after you've been exercising? That's because physical activity raises your body temperature, increases your breathing, and causes you to sweat. As sweat mixes with bacteria on your skin, it produces chemicals like lactic acid, making you even easier for mosquitoes to detect. And here's one final surprise. The mosquito bite itself isn't actually what makes you itch. When a mosquito bites, it injects a small amount of saliva to keep your blood flowing. Your immune system reacts to those foreign proteins by releasing histamine, which causes the familiar redness, swelling, and itching. That's why some people develop tiny bumps while others experience much larger, itchier reactions. So, can you avoid becoming a mosquito's favorite? You can't change your genetics or your natural body chemistry, but you can reduce your chances of getting bitten. Use insect repellent when you're outdoors, wear light-colored long sleeves whenever possible, and remove standing water around your home, where mosquitoes breed. If you're outside around sunrise or sunset, when many mosquito species are most active, taking these precautions becomes even more important. So the next time mosquitoes seem to single you out, remember, it isn't personal. They're simply responding to a complex mix of carbon dioxide, body heat, skin bacteria, natural body odors, and a few biological factors that make every person unique. Millions of years of evolution have turned mosquitoes into incredibly precise hunters, and sometimes your body just happens to send out the strongest signal. If you enjoyed learning something new today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Think Frontier, and turn on notifications so you never miss another fascinating everyday mystery. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.